So, it's case time for the 14 Pro Max, and this is a case haul from the guys at Caudabe. So let's check them out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, big thanks to Caudabe for sending me out the sheath for the 14 Pro Max. If you're not aware, or if you haven't caught the video from last year, I reviewed the Caudabe Sheath for the 13 Pro Max, and it was one of my top 2 cases for the 13 Pro Max last year. So this has some big shoes to fill because it was a top-notch case. So let's check it out. So Caudabe have sent me the sheath in black, mountain green and steel blue, which is a great color combo. So let's check these out. Oh yeah, black, classic. Love the black sheath. And then we have, do you know what? I'm not a fan of green, if I'm just gonna be honest. Green's not really my thing, but that's nice. That's really nice. Wow. And the blue. Oh, now that's nice. That's really nice. I'm spoiled for choice. I spoke to Caudabe, and Caudabe said that they're going to do a purple version of the sheath as well, which is going to be really, really good for the deep purple iPhone. So stay locked to the channel for that, because when that drops, I should be getting that for review, and we'll do a review. The sheath is it's a minimalistic case. It's not particularly heavy, if I'm being honest. It's good quality material. There's a wee bit of flex in it, as you can see, but overall it's relatively rigid. It's pretty good. And they all have, I love these little touches. They come with their little serial number, a genuine Caudabe product made with Shocklight. Shocklight is Caudabe's shock absorption material, so it'll help protect against bumps and drops and that kind of thing. And I like that. You know, they're rigid enough, but there's enough flex, if that makes sense, as well, which I kind of like. Buttons are really decent on it. So let's check out how much these weigh. And big thank you to everybody that interacts in my videos and leaves me comments, because this is how I get to improve content for you guys. So I really, really appreciate the feedback. And guys were asking me, you know, can you weigh cases and things like that there? As you've requested, I'm doing it. So again, if there's any feedback you want on any of these cases or anything like that, please leave me a comment down below, and anything I can do to improve the experience for you guys, I'll do it. Here we go. 51 grams. 51 grams. 51 grams. Talk about consistency. Well played, Caudabe. Well played. Let's pop the 14 Pro Max in. So, camera bump first, because trust me, it's easier to slot the camera bump in first and then put the rest of the phone in rather than try to fit the camera bump in. Trust me. So, first off, yeah, that's a good fit. That's a nice tight fit. It's not going to fall off or come loose. Really, really like that. Buttons, good click, and just look at it. It's just minimalistic and it's nice. Yeah, I dig that. So let's try the green. Do you know what? Like I don't like green. Green, it's just not my thing. But that made me change my mind, to be honest. That's not bad. And as you can see, we've got a good lip up over the display. It's really, you know, it's not, you're not going to get the screen rubbing on a surface. If you set it down, you've got protection. Camera bump is the same as well. You'll see there, the lenses don't protrude out the camera bump, which is great. And it's the same across the board with these. And yeah, top-notch Caudabe. The quality control and the consistency with each of these cases is just phenomenal. Wow. And there's the blue. What do you think of the blue? I think, blue's nice. I like the blue. Same again, you've got a great lip up over that display, and your camera bump too. You know, camera lenses aren't protruding. It's great. So if you set that down, or if you set it down screen first, you're not going to get the screen rubbing, you know, if you don't use a screen protector. So yeah, textured grip. I mean, it's not slippery. You've got good grip on the case. and I really dig this. I love the sheath, and I'll be honest, it's just as good as the 13 Pro Max from last year. And then moving on to my last test in this video, let's test the magnets in the Magsafe. Now I will say the magnets weren't that strong in the sheath last year, if I'm being truthfully honest. There was definitely room for improvement there. So let's get my trusty Magsafe stand. Fair bit of weight in this stand. This stand weighs in at 201 grams. Now, in my honest opinion, you should be fit to pick up a phone, put it on the stand and be able to lift the stand or hold the stand up. At least that's how I test it. Hold the stand up and the phone should be able to hold the weight of itself. If you do, that's a good test in my opinion. Anything better than that, phenomenal. Fantastic. So that's how I sort of judge the strength of Magsafe. If you can put a case on a stand and shake it off very easily, it's not great. Because accidents happen, you know. That's it on the stand, and if we just hold it up. Whoa, here, that's a massive improvement over last year. For sure. Look at that. You couldn't have done that with the sheath last year. Whoa. That's not even good. That's really good. Two hands and a shove to get that off. Perfect. And that's the blue one. Now, I'm not being a pessimist, but just for my own peace of mind and for you guys, we'll do it with all of them. Oh yeah. That is great. That is really good. So that's the blue and the green as a pass. So let's just check the black. Now let's be honest, like who am I kidding? Brilliant. And the black is a pass. Fantastic. So yeah, that passes the Magsafe test for me. Absolutely, that is great. That is a massive improvement over last year. And I'll be honest, this is definitely going to be in my top cases this year for the 14 Pro Max. It's not even a debate. That is so good. Caudabe have massively improved. I wouldn't say it was a weakness, but it was maybe just a slight shortfall in what they didn't have last year on the 13. Magsafe was still good, but it just wasn't as good as some of the competitors. This time, I think Caudabe is the competition, to be fair, because that's great. What do you guys think? Which is your favorite color? The black, the blue, or the green? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm spoilt for choice. Top notch from Caudabe. The price I will leave right here, and I will leave you an affiliate link in the description below. As always guys, affiliate links don't cost you guys any more money, but it does help support the channel. So if you do buy a case through an affiliate link, thanks very much for your support. Really appreciate it. And that about wraps up this video guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. I'm going to go, but keep it locked to the channel guys. There's going to be a lot more case review videos coming for the 14 Pro Max. I know I'm a little bit late to the game, but the case videos are going to come thick and fast, so keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more coming for you guys, so yeah. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.